The leaking of that HSU report comes as the union's National Secretary Cathy Jackson challenges a federal court decision that put the troubled union into administration. Reporter Ben Worsley is at the federal court in Sydney. Ben, what is Cathy Jackson hoping to achieve today?
In a nutshell, Nicole, she's trying to get that original federal court decision to place HSU East under administration overturned. And today was the latest hearing in that process. Remember, Cathy Jackson effectively lost her job once the HSU East was placed under administration. So she's bringing this appeal, and remember that the administrators are only in charge of this branch of the union for 120 days, and that began a month ago. So what happened today, the federal court ruled that it would expedite the appeal process. And Cathy Jackson describes that as, well, a quote, major victory. She says she ran the risk today of the entire appeal being thrown out of court. But today she dropped her push for a stay against the administrators. Now, what that means is that they will effectively keep running HSU East until this appeal is heard. But despite it being expedited, it probably won't end up back in the federal court, this appeal, until sometime in August.
And Ben, she's one of the main accusers in the Temby report. What she had to say about the findings?
Oh, look, there's no doubt Cathy Jackson feels vindicated to quite a large extent by what's come out. She says she's vindicated in how outspoken she's been about allegations of corruption in the HSU, and she also says it vindicates her decision to take those allegations to the police rather than the executive, the union itself, a move that has been criticised heavily by other people within the HSU. Now, obviously, because she's one of the main accusers in the Temby report, she's not surprised by the accusations, but she does say she is surprised by the amount of money that's being talked about within the Temby report.
My allegations were the allegations that were acted on, and I hope that this brings this sorry saga to an end. We need to get on with representing our members and doing a good job for them, and not having this fight in the federal court or elsewhere. And Temby totally vindicates my position. The position that the union had taken is to close ranks with Michael Williams and to protect him rather than dealing with the problem.
HSU National Secretary Cathy Jackson there, and before that, reporter Ben Worsley.